guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV with Nicoline and Moi. So Nicoline, what are you gonna cut today?
Hey you guys, today we're gonna make a classic haircut. We're gonna fade it a little bit around the ears and in the back. And then we're gonna make a parting. And then we're gonna air dry the top upwards. So a little bit basic, but it's still gonna be really good.
Sounds good. So short angles?
Yes.
Let's get to it. Alright guys, now to the funny part. When you get out of the hair salon, you get home, you need to be able to do the same style. And right now I'm gonna teach Moi how to do his hair himself. So stay tuned. And we need to find the ingredients. So first up we have the blow dryer here, Moi, and a SIDEKICK. And you're gonna use 10 to 20 pumps. I recommend about 15 for this length. And to finish off, when it's all dry in the position, we'll top it off with the Wax Zero. Now it's time to apply the SIDEKICK Zero. We'll go in with about 15 to 20 pumps. As soon as it's in your hair, it's important to move the hair around, to shake it up and get it all into the roots. Afterwards, we're going to make the parting. The parting line is important to get made from the very beginning before blow drying, so you comb your hair forward and you'll make a nice fine parting line so you can start blow drying the sides. It's very important that you blow dry the back of the head. Most men are forgetting about the neck hair, and if there's any wet spots, it will look like you not finished the job of the hairstyle. And something that is hard, especially if you are new to hairstyling, using a comb and a hairdryer at the same time. So I'm showing Moi here how to do, and it's a hard technique to use, but try and do it over and over and you'll learn it. It's not that hard when you first have it into your fingers. Now for the last step, we have had the hair wash, pre-styling, blow drying, and now for the wax. we're gonna use the Wax Zero from Vilain. There you go. You're gonna take a small scoop like this. Just heat it up here. And then you'll slowly touch the top of the hair and do like this. And you can actually feel how much wax you're putting in when you're doing it slow. So that's how you're gonna do it. And then you just shape it into position. Now Moi is applying the wax, and we're not gonna use the comb. Even though it looks good, we are going for a more casual look, so we are finger combing it all the way through. And now we're done. By a few simple steps, you can actually achieve the great hairstyle from the hair salon at home. You just need to wash your hair, apply pre-styling spray and use the blow drying technique, trap the ground hold, and then apply a good quality hair product. So this one is for you. You can bring it home. It's not released yet. 15th of October. Thank you for coming.
Thanks.
And see you guys next time.